guys, it's Auntie Laura, and today I thought that I'd come and show you Canary Wharf and the River Thames. So this island just behind us here is called Canary Wharf, and that is the financial district for England and where all the big banks and money corporations are. That building there is Canary Wharf. And that is where Sir Alan Sugar's office is. You know The Apprentice? Yeah, the big boss. Alan Sugar lives up there. So that is Canary Wharf. This big river is called the River Thames. It's a little bit windy today, but it's dry. Nice and sunny. Very, very blessed. I hope you're having a wonderful day with your mummies and your daddies. I hope you're being helpful and kind and polite and nice to your brothers and sisters. Oh, it's windy woos. The tide is quite low today. Can you see all the rocks and the waves of the tide? Can you see the sun reflecting off of the water? Very beautiful.